Hello guys, welcome back to this channel, XMS Angelito, XMS Angelito. So we added these planters to separate the grass area with the basketball court slash fire seating place. Well, I guess as time goes by, we'll decide what else we're gonna put there. But as in now, we're gonna be using it as a basketball court. Anyways, if you've been following some of these videos, at the very beginning, I got quoted for like $15,000 for the stuff that I wanted to do in this backyard. So I said, I can't do it, can't afford it, so I'm gonna have to do it myself. So this entire backyard was just gravel, rock. So everything that you see, I've been adding it little by little. And one of the things I added, it's this water feature. But now that we added the stones and the palm trees on the side, stuff like that, I say, you know what? I don't really like it. I think we need to get something better. So out with the old and with the new. But it's not finished yet. It's not finished. But the principal stuff is there. And it's holding pretty good. This day was very windy. And the little waterfall was not splitting, was not going like crazy all over the place. It was staying in a really good shape. So that's a good sign, and hopefully I'll finish it in the next couple of weeks. I'll be uploading another video. I still have a lot of work to do in this backyard, but thank you guys for sticking around. Thank you for watching my videos. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and remember, guys, this is DIY stuff. I'm not a professional landscaper by any means. So in other words, if I can do it, you can do it.